A new era of peak automotive performance begins. Introducing the Bugatti Tourbillon. Beyond speed, it is timeless. Built on a revolutionary high-strength carbon monocoque. The heart, a 8.3-liter naturally aspirated V16 engine, a masterpiece of mechanical soul. Hybrid power redefined. 3 electric motors adding 800 horsepower to the V16's fury. Power is nothing without control. An 8-speed dual-clutch gearbox built for lightning shifts.
The namesake. An instrument cluster crafted by Swiss watchmakers with over 600 parts.
Transparency and elegance. Every internal mechanism is visible through sapphire glass. Innovation in focus. The steering wheel rotates around the fixed instruments for perfect vision. The marriage. 1,000 horsepower of internal combustion meets the chassis. AI-optimized suspension. 3D printed parts that are lighter and stronger than ever imagined. Incredible deceleration. Carbon ceramic brakes designed to tame 1,800 horsepower. Electrical backbone. An 800-volt system providing instant torque and silent range.
The colors of speed. A duotone finish that honors Bugatti's historic racing heritage.
The light signature. A single, flowing line of light that defines the rear profile. Dramatic entry. Dihedral doors that offer a gateway to the most exclusive cockpit. The face of a legend. The horseshoe grille, evolved for a new century.
Adaptive aero. A wing that hides within the body until the physics demand it.
Discrete technology. A digital screen that appears only when you need it.
Where the power meets the road. Custom tires built for 445 kilometers per hour.
The assembly is complete. 1,800 horsepower, ready for the first shakedown. The awakening. The first breath of the naturally aspirated V16 engine.
To the track, the Aralesian proving grounds await the ultimate test.
Zero to 100 in 2 seconds. The electric motors provide instant thrust.
9,000 RPM. Pure, unadulterated mechanical symphony.
Sculpted by the wind. Every surface is designed for stability at speed.
200 kilometers per hour, the V16 is just beginning to breathe. The view from the top. Mechanical art in motion at extreme velocity.
Suction to the ground. The giant rear diffuser creates a vacuum of downforce.
300 kilometers per hour. Entering the realm of the elite.
Stability at the limit. The Tourbillon remains glued to the asphalt.
Unlocking the impossible. Top speed mode activated.
Reducing drag. Every millimeter counts when casing 400. The final surge.
1,800 horsepower pushing against the wall of air.
400 kilometers per hour. The Tourbillon has arrived.
445. The fastest naturally aspirated hybrid in the world. Stopping the beast. The air brake and carbon ceramics work in unison.
A successful mission. The engineering has proven its worth.
craftsmanship that transcends time. A Bugatti for eternity. From the track to the boulevard, elegant in every environment. Bugatti Tourbillon, the pinnacle of automotive art and engineering.
The soul of the V16. A crankshaft designed for high RPM vibration control.
Total traction. Electric power pulling the front, V16 pushing the rear. Crystal clear. Protection for the mechanical masterpiece within.
Piercing the darkness. LED technology that mimics the speed of light.
Refinement in every move. Doors that glide with zero effort.
Testing the limits, ensuring 1,000 HP is available at every second.
Lightweight sound. A titanium exhaust for the ultimate acoustic experience.
Luxury travel. Tailored luggage for the ultimate grand tourer.
Tailored performance. 3 modes for 3 different driving souls.
Lightweight hybrid. Pushing the boundaries of mass management.
Agility redefined. Not just a straight-line king, but a cornering master.
Modern efficiency. Ready for the next high-speed electrical surge. The future of manufacturing. AI and 3D printing, working for speed. Meticulous care. Checking every drop for perfect engine health. The mark of excellence. A name that will live forever. Controlled fire. Precision ignition across 16 high-revving cylinders. Air management. Every blade is angled to keep the car glued at high velocity.
Mirror finish. A coating that protects the art from the elements at speed.
The sound of luxury. A cabin designed to be as quiet or as loud as you wish. Aerodynamic perfection. Tested to withstand the forces of nature.
Artisan luxury. Every stitch tells a story of Molsheim craftsmanship.
Mechanical poetry. Technology that adapts to the laws of physics. Into the light. The Tourbillon claims its place in the sun. The final approval. Every car is built to be perfect. A lineage of legends. Type 35, Veyron, Chiron, and now Tourbillon. Direct connection. The interface between man and machine. Time is precious. A tribute to the mechanical age in a digital world.
Nocturnal beauty. The Tourbillon lights up the future.
Pushing further. Breaking the records of its predecessors.
445.5, the pinnacle of internal combustion.
Pure fire. The energy of 16 cylinders unleashed.
Ready for its owner. A journey of passion is complete.
An icon of the horizon. Bugatti Tourbillon. A name that defines a new standard of luxury. Born in Molsheim, bound for greatness. Resting beauty. Power in repose. Reflection of perfection. Flawless in every detail.
Engineering. Art. Speed.
Bugatti. The incomparable. Bugatti Tourbillon. Bugatti Tourbillon. Pour l'éternité.